Here, first constant of normal distribution. What is first constant of normal distribution? Mean of the normal distribution. Mean of the normal distribution. How to find mean of the normal distribution? Here you see, consider function with parameters b comma sigma, that is f of x such that b comma sigma equal to 1 by sigma root 2 pi e power minus 1 by 2 of x minus b by sigma whole square. This is the function, normal distribution function. Then mean of probability distribution function, that is mu is equal to E of x, expectation of x, equal to integral minus infinity to plus infinity x into f of x such that b comma sigma into dx. This is the mean of the probability distribution function. So this can be written as integral minus infinity to plus infinity. This is x into 1 by sigma root 2 pi e power minus 1 by 2 of x minus b by sigma whole square into dx. Okay, all of you. So you can take this as constant common 1 by sigma root 2 pi integral minus infinity to plus infinity x into e power minus 1 by 2 of x minus b by sigma whole square into dx. So here you see, all of you, in this one, here z is equal to another parameter you can take. Z is equal to x minus b by sigma. Then substitute by substituting. So z is equal to x minus b by sigma, cross multiplication, x minus b is equal to sigma z. Then what is dx? Dx equal to sigma into dz. Okay, all of you. And you can here, what is x value? So x is equal to what? X is equal to sigma z plus b. So here x is there. X is equal to sigma z plus b by substituting, and x value is there. X minus b by sigma whole square is, this is z square. And what is dx? Dx is equal to sigma into dz. By substituting here, this is equal to integral. This is 1 by this is sigma into root 2 pi integral minus infinity to plus infinity. What is x value? X value is sigma z plus b into, this value is e power minus 1 by 2 into z square. Here, what is dx value? Sigma into z. Sigma cancel out. Okay, all of you. Sigma cancel out. Then after, you see here, this can be written as, this is equal to, here this can be written as 1 by root 2 pi integral minus infinity to plus infinity sigma z into e power minus 1 by 2 z square dz plus 1 by root 2 pi integral minus infinity to plus infinity b into e power minus 1 by 2 z square dz. Okay, all of you. So in this one, sigma is common. Sigma by root 2 pi integral minus infinity to plus infinity z into e power minus 1 by 2 z square dz plus this can be written as b by root 2 pi integral minus infinity to plus infinity e power minus 1 by 2 z square dz. This is the first integral. This is the second integral. Okay, all of you. You see, this is the function f of z. F of z is equal to z into e power minus 1 by 2 z square. This is the odd function. Odd function. Then integral minus infinity to plus infinity f of z value is 0. This is odd function. So this function value will be 0. And you see all of you. Then after you take second one. Second one is integral f of z is equal to e power minus 1 by 2 z square is even function. Even function. So that is this can be written as b by root 2 pi. This is 2 into integral 0 to infinity e power minus 1 by 2 z square dz. Why? Because f of minus x is equal to f of x even function. Integral minus a to a f of x dx can be written as 2 into integral 0 to a f of x dx. F of minus x is equal to minus f of x. It is odd function. So integral minus a to a f of x dx is equal to 0. This 2 follows these 2 rules. That's why this is b by second one. Second one is b by root 2 pi 2 into integral 0 to infinity e power minus 1 by 2 z square dz. And this first one is the 0. Okay, all of you. Then after you say all of you. Then after here you take this one. This is equal to b by root 2 pi into 2 integral 0 to infinity e power minus 1 by 2 z square into dz. Generally, integral 0 to infinity e power minus x square by 2 dx equal to this value is root over pi by 2. Root over pi by 2 this value. So by using this formula here, b by root 2 pi into 2 into root pi by 2. So this root 2 into root 2. So these two cancel, root pi cancel equal to b. Therefore mu is equal to b. Implies mean of the normal distribution is parameter b. So we say mean of the normal distribution, parameter B. Okay, all of you. That's all.